In our legal system, in order to sue someone for something, you need to give them legal notice. Usually a process server has to personally serve them with a summons. So, say you want to get divorced and you don't know where your spouse is. What are you to do? In order to get a divorce, you could ask the court to serve your spouse with the summons for divorce with a legal notice in a newspaper. Now, you just can't go out and publish a legal notice in a newspaper on your own. You have to do a search, and the court requires that you take certain steps. For example, you need to search motor vehicle, the Board of Elections, the military, the post office. In addition, you need to search on the internet. You need to search telephone directories. Now, once you have fulfilled the required search requirements, you make an application with the court saying, Your Honor, I have done my best. I have searched for my spouse, and I can't find him or her. Please give me permission to publish my legal notice in a newspaper. Now, if the judge is satisfied, the judge will give you permission to publish a legal notice in a newspaper. Now, the legal notice has to have certain language, and you're to publish that legal notice in the newspaper once a week for 3 weeks. And then you have to wait 30 days for an answer. If your spouse does not respond within the 30-day period, you can then start your divorce. The divorce on default, that is, your spouse did not respond. Now, since divorce by publication involves so many steps and so many agencies and newspaper publication, there are a lot of expenses. So a divorce like this usually will cost more money than a divorce where your spouse is personally served. So if you know where your spouse is, or you can find where your spouse is, I suggest you do that before you start a divorce by publication. However, if you can't find your spouse, then a divorce by publication makes a lot of sense, and it is the only way you are going to be able to get divorced. My name is Jeffrey Peltz. I'm an experienced divorce attorney. If you have questions regarding divorce in New York, call me for a free consultation.